Hi guys, just a sneak peek of part of my beautiful country Guyana. We are heading to Kaichor Falls and it is the world's largest single drop waterfall at 741 feet. The adventure is great to begin with. It's breathtaking and there is so much to learn from this. So go book a trip, head right over to Guyana, my beautiful country, and have this beautiful experience of our largest single drop waterfall known as Kaichor Falls. Don't forget, 741 feet drop. What a beauty. Trust me guys, natural wonder of the world. Look at this.